Shit, they're coming over here. Grab my phones. Is everything all right? What's going on? Is everything okay?
You're talking to somebody in the back.
Is everything okay? What did I do?
Something in YouTube.
No,
So it.
Hey, where were you?
I post something on YouTube.
Yeah, video.
Of what? Of what?
Wait.
Okay, I'm live, you guys. I'm right here. Like, I didn't do anything.
I bet they got some.
Call the lawyer, bro. Call the lawyer, bro. Call the lawyer. I didn't do anything. I didn't post anything on YouTube. They posted on YouTube. I didn't post it on YouTube. They saying I post something on YouTube. I didn't post nothing on YouTube, bro.
You're gonna see.
You talking about the old video of
20 hours ago.
1 hour ago?
No, 20.
Me on my page? On my page, I didn't post anything. On my YouTube? Me?
Yeah, I'm looking right now.
On my YouTube?
No, this is.
Bro, y'all see this? Here's my YouTube. Sir, my YouTube's right here. Hold on real quick, yo. It's harassment, bro. I didn't do anything.
That's a fact, yo. Like,
Sir, my YouTube's right here. Call my lawyer, bro. Call my lawyer, bro. I'm in Vieques. You got the wallet. Here's my YouTube right here, sir.
It's okay. It's okay.
All right. Okay.
If you don't have you don't something, but anything else, we're gonna leave.
Okay. I didn't post anything, sir. That wasn't me. I have trolls. You know, like people that I have people online that attack me online. I'm live right now. I have 3,000 people watching me right now. 3,000. Look, sir. Look. Say hi. I'm live right now. I'm live. This is my YouTube right here. It's a troll.
nothing's wrong.
It's a troll. I have a troll. You know what trolls are? People that criticize me and they send bad news out about me. But it's not true. I don't break the law.
Where you from?
I'm from New York City, but I live in Puerto Rico. I live in Utuado. Yes, my dad is Puerto Rican. My dad is Puerto Rican. I'm Puerto Rican. I'm from New York, huh?
How long you been?
I've been here a year. I've been at Utuado. I just came over here to visit. I live here. I live in the mountains in Utuado. Huh?
You speak Spanish or no?
Only a little bit. Because I'm from New York City. I was raised in New York. But I'm not a bad guy. I'm really not a bad guy.
No, we don't say.
You're just checking. I understand.
No, we don't say that.
Okay, I understand because I have trolls, people that I'm a social media guy, and the trolls they call in, and they say bad things about me. But I'm always live. I'm live right now. I'm always live. But I didn't post anything on my page. No, look, this is my page right here. So this is my YouTube. Nature Boy TV. I have
El Vivo es vida, es vida para internet y personas.
¿Quiénes son ellos?
huh? We all together. It's only us. Solo.
Ustedes siempre están.
That's it. It's only us.
¿Tú hablas español bien? ¿Tú hablas bien español?
How you doing?
How you doing today, sir? Good.
Where you from?
I'm from New York City. I live in Puerto Rico in Utuado.
What part of Utuado are you from?
I'm in the mountains in Utuado. Like I don't really know the
What part?
location.
I'm from Utuado.
Really?
What part of
I don't know the exact part of Utuado. I'm a little nervous right now. I didn't do anything
Okay,
wrong.
this is the situation.
Yes.
Some people call him that you are abusing.
they're right here.
Listen.
Okay.
Remember, Puerto Rico, we got a law.
Okay, you have to check. Right. Okay, this is my trolls. I have trolls that do this on purpose. They try to.
Okay, but here you cannot do it because the people think you are abusing.
No.
So listen,
Okay.
listen. The people think you are abusing, so they are calling us. So
I'm lying right
they're
now.
not allowed to do that kind of stuff here.
No, we're not doing anything here. The women are right here. These are my women. I'm not abusing women, no. No. No, we're not abusing any woman, no.
Yeah, because he said it. Everything is like good. Everybody else know, then he.
No.
Nos enseñaron dos videos que él la pone a pelear entre ustedes, que quieren que peleen.
They're lying, is what I'm saying to his
The
trolls
video that
online.
you unloaded. What's going on with those? You
I
got
didn't upload any video. I have trolls that follow me,
okay.
right? And they be trolling me. Everything I do, they be trolling.
Yeah, but
My girl, who else I'm gonna do?